Beaver RJ, and today I'm going to show you some steps to do when you hear some rattling like that. Sounds like lifter tick, you think exhaust leak, some things you can check at first before pulling your valve cover to see if you got any valve leaks. This only has 34,000 miles, but it doesn't mean anything. It sat for years, the valves could have stuck, could have whatever. Just couldn't figure out what the noise was thinking. It would go away and come back, but now it's pretty steady. So after you check for valve leaks, check your exhaust manifolds, and you want to tighten that one first, okay? They're supposed to be, what was it, 30? 28 foot-pounds.
25 to 28.
On here. I did these, I couldn't look up, so I just tightened them good. These are axle, supposed to be 10 to 15, but this one and one on that side were so loose I could move my hand, so I tightened them with just a socket wrench, so I'm probably over the 12 to 15, but that's just how it is. But as you can hear, it's very here. Sometimes it's going to be arcing wires. It is not. I checked them all down and I moved them because they were routed all bad, but they're still not great. We're going to get some kind of thing up so we can do it.
No.
Okay, so, oh, there it goes away. Okay, and it kept doing that, and every time I couldn't find it. So you take a screwdriver if you don't have a stethoscope, and you go like this, be careful of the fan, you hold it to your ear. If it's rattling, then you can tell following it up. But sometimes with one like this, because I can take the handle off, you can go like this. So I was doing this, going down the things, and yes, I wasn't a direct closed cylinder, but I was just trying to find. And then I got here, and I could barely feel the rattling. And you couldn't tell that it was from there. And I thought maybe this electric choke was flipping. I just didn't know. I checked all around for leaks, and then now it's stopped as it's warmed up. You see all that exhaust gas coming out? Yeah, see that exhaust gas? I can't get it to refake it, but that is what is making the noise. See if I can see it's like warming up and it's stopping.
But then when it's
when it's getting, yeah, in our short, if you watch it was doing it. The minute you take it off, it stopped. But then I could get it to copy it here. There it goes. Okay, ready? And it's actually doing it in here. The check valve and that spring is bouncing back and forth. And that's the problem.
Super easy to replace it.
Alright, so sometimes you get lucky. And you gotta use your replacement, because if you've been watching, we've replaced a lot of stuff with this truck. So,
no.
Yeah, we've been working on it. New. This is gonna be new next.
The alternator, wherever that
We're
is.
gonna do an alternator soon. So yeah. Alright, hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, subscribe. As always, I'm RJ.
See you there.
Bye-bye. Okay, Colin's gonna put it on. Got the new PCV, $2. And his rattle is gonna be gone. Oh.
It fell.
Okay, Colin's not gonna do it. Alright, we got the new PCV valve to fix the rattling. It still rattles in there, that's what it's supposed to move, but it's not gonna do it while we're just going. Okay? We're gonna go turn it on and see what it would do.
There you go.
There we go.
Where it go?
Where it go? Hold this.
Still clicking?
No, it's just your engine.
It's running smoother.
That is. I think that's exhaust back there at the manifold.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll put the new PCV in. As you can hear, it's pretty much gone. I think we're going to need to get the actual rubber grommet as well. I think part of that is assisting it, but noise is gone. Sounds good.